Yes. Hello, everybody. This is Drone FX. Thank you very much for coming, checking out my channel. New channel, new attitude. Everything's new. Uh, I will be posting drone footage as well as travel footage on here. I do have two channels. The other one is called N Northwest Adventures, and that channel is a travel channel as well. Feel free to subscribe to either one. If you're on my channel, I appreciate every one of you who have taken the time to subscribe and watch my videos. It is awesome of you guys. Like I say, this channel's been here a while. I rebranded it, renamed it for just because I wanted to have a new start. So this channel is going to be here forever. I've had this channel for since 2013, something like that. So, but yes, please feel free to like and subscribe. Check out my channel. There's always I'm going to try to do at least 2 uploads a week, weather permitting. I appreciate everybody. You're seeing a little bit of my green screen right now because my chroma key is off. But feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I keep saying this, I don't know why. I'm old. But I appreciate everyone who comes into my live streams. I really do. You guys are awesome. I am really blessed to get into a new community where people are so friendly and and they'll help you out. Uh, Thank you, every one of you. And I will see you on my next live, which I try to do every day at around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And they run as long as they have. My last one was over 2 hours. So feel free to come hang out with us, have a little fun, watch some drone footage with me. I know YouTube tech, I know drone tech. Uh, and if anybody has any questions on either one, feel free to ask it in the chat, and I'll try to help you out. Because it's all about helping the community out. And who knows, you come hang out, you may leave here with a few extra friends for your channel. That is always happens on my lives. So check me out today at 12 p.m., which is every day. I do these during the week at 12 p.m. So see you there. Bye bye.